Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of CiCi app. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about CiCi app and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store, you will search about the application of CiCi app. Here you will uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your attention.